If you want to record your front and back camera simultaneously, this tutorial review will guide you how to get dual camera features on any iPhone. So first of all, go to App Store and search here Multicam, and you have to install this app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, open the app, tap on OK, and now you can easily record your front and back camera at the same time. And to change your camera position, you can tap on this icon here at the bottom left to change the camera position. And now to start recording, tap on this record button at the bottom. Give access to all photos. So this is how we can get dual camera features on any iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.